Meet Julia. She's a product designer, juggling 3 time zones and 2 teams. Her day starts on her iMac. She opens Xmind to prep for the 10 o'clock sprint review with the local design team. Ideas flow, connections are made, structure's ready. Then, it's time for the team check-in. Julia grabs her iPad, walks into the meeting room, and opens pitch mode to present. After the presentation, the team dives in with fresh ideas, sparking new inspiration for Julia. Her line manager, Daniel, is currently on a business trip, but no problem. He joins remotely by opening the shared link Julia sent via Xmind AI. With real-time collaboration, he follows the team's progress and stays in the loop. After gathering everyone's input, Julia starts refining the map. Need to polish a sentence? Easy. She taps into Apple Intelligence and rewrites the topic right from her iPad. Once the updates are done, the map is ready to be shared across teams. Her remote PM, Chris, opens the same mind map and leaves a quick update by commenting directly in the map. A productive morning behind her, Julia heads down for a quick lunch. Just as she steps into the elevator, her phone buzzes. It's a comment notification. She opens the map on her iPhone and sees Chris's feedback instantly. Later that night, Julia opens Xmind AI at home. Everything's already synced and saved. She makes a few tweaks and calls it a day. Mac, iPad, iPhone, web, one account, one map, always in sync. Wherever your team works, your mind maps follow.